Today, all around the world, Noark Electric dedicates itself to create a higher quality modern electrical product to ensure that the end result delivers electricity safely to you. As a global corporation, Noark specializes in research, development, and production of a new generation of low-voltage electric system solutions. With over 30 years of industrial manufacturing experience, Noark provides professional and focused services to industrial customers with reliable and high-quality products. Integrated with cutting-edge technology from 3 R&D centers located in North America, Europe, and China, Noark competes with other international brands. Its extraordinary quality and global vision gives new meaning to the phrase, "Made in China." Noark obtained certification for Lloyd's ISO 9001 in the United Kingdom, UL certification in North America, CE in Europe, TUV in Germany, and KEMA in the Netherlands, along with others. Noark has applied for over 145 international and Chinese patents, along with 80 international and domestic patented technologies. Among these patents are a 3-color ACB display, design of the new MCCB spindle bearings, AC-DC compatible contactor coils, and designs that allow convenient assembly and disassembly of rail-mounted MCB bus bars. Noark's technology sets a new standard for the industry. Noark is also the world's first low-voltage electric brand to be awarded Germany's Red Dot Design Award. Noark has drawn attention and recognition in the international market. Noark sells in over 36 countries, including the USA, Italy, Sweden, Finland, Spain, Austria, the Czech Republic, and Japan. Noark is the first Chinese high-end, low-voltage product to enter the North American and European markets. First-class quality is the core principle of Noark. Noark created excellent quality assurance, EQA, a world-class quality system for the industry through optimized designs, carefully selected materials, precise manufacturing technology, and strict testing with an excellent management system. Committed to service is Noark's promise to customers. Noark listens to customers' needs and creates an industry-leading service assurance system which integrates a comprehensive customer management system, a customer service center, and a global logistics operation to provide a one-stop customer service experience. Noark's products are used in a wide range of industries such as smart power grids, new energy, machinery, metallurgy and petrochemistry, telecommunications, and smart buildings. Noark provides efficient, stable, and reliable products to thousands of high-end projects for many clients, like Volvo, the National Opera of Finland, the Università Palico, Dnipro Hydroelectric Power Plant, Emerson Network Power, Caltex, Nashiobara Photovoltaic Power Plant, and Shanghai Pentagonal Mart. Noark's promise to you? A commitment to continuously innovate products for global electrical systems and people. Together, we can light up the world with the power of electricity. Excellent products, exceptional value. Noark.